Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Mississippi. So at BlueNotary, we've got a specific guide that's going to walk you through how to do this step by step. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. So once you click that link, it's going to bring you right here where you can scroll down just a bit and see the simple step-by-step guide. So let's go through this together just to make sure there's not any confusion. Step number 1 is you need to be commissioned as a traditional notary public. So in other words, you need to already be a notary public in the state of Mississippi. Step number 2 is you're going to need to fill out the remote notary notification form. This is going to bring you to a document that looks like this. Pretty simple. You're going to put in your name, a bit of your commission information, and you're going to provide which technology you're going to be using for your online notarization commissions. So our recommendation for this is to use BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. If you get back to our guide here, once you finish that form, you're going to send that remote notary notification form to remotenotary@sos.ms.gov. And then lastly, you're going to receive acceptance from the Mississippi Secretary of State. As soon as you receive acceptance from the Secretary of State, you're able to begin performing online notarization on the platform that you selected in the remote notary notification form. You can also upload a screenshot of your approval as your RON approval document with BlueNotary.us to get started on BlueNotary. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more tutorials for you on online notarization on the way.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.